Hi everyone, I am Christina and this is my channel. I am your favorite person, your favorite teacher, your best friend, your trusted translator, author, career coach, CV writer, language expert in general, and so much more. If you need private lessons, professional translations, CV writing, job interview preparation, or even a custom language session for a specific purpose, check out the details in the description below. Also, make sure you join our exclusive Facebook group where we learn languages in a fun and innovative way while interacting as a community. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Today, in just 5 minutes, you will learn the most useful Greek phrases. Are you ready? Let's go! We will focus on practical, everyday phrases, so let's start with the most important thing, greetings. Γεια σου. Γεια σου. This means hello, and this is the informal form. Γεια σας. Γεια σας. This means hello, and this is the formal form, or the plural form. Next one, καλημέρα. Καλημέρα. This means good morning. Καληνύχτα. Καληνύχτα. This means good night. Okay, now you try. Repeat after me. Γεια σου. Γεια σου. Well done. Γεια σας. Γεια σας. Great job. Καλημέρα. Καλημέρα. Excellent. Καληνύχτα. Καληνύχτα. Well done, guys. Now, let's learn some must-know phrases that you can use in real conversations. Ευχαριστώ. Ευχαριστώ. Thank you. Παρακαλώ. Παρακαλώ, which means please or you're welcome. Συγγνώμη. Συγγνώμη, sorry or excuse me. Ναι. Ναι, which means yes. Όχι. Όχι, which means no. Now, repeat after me. Ευχαριστώ. Ευχαριστώ. Παρακαλώ. Παρακαλώ. Συγγνώμη. Συγγνώμη. Ναι. Ναι. Όχι. Όχι. Amazing job. Now, let's put it all together in a mini conversation so you can practice and see how these phrases work in action. Γεια σας. Καλημέρα. Γεια σας. Καλημέρα. Hello. Good morning. Καλημέρα. Πώς είστε? Καλημέρα. Πώς είστε? Good morning. How are you? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς? Fine, thank you. How about you? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Fine, thank you. Now, try to repeat after me. Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Καλημέρα, πώς είστε? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς? Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Great job! Now you know some of the most important Greek phrases. Don't forget to subscribe for more Greek lessons. Share this video with your friends and like to help the YouTube algorithm show it to more people. And comment below, what is your favorite Greek word so far? I would love to know. Be well, take care, and see you soon in the next video. Bye! Τα λέμε!